Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were going to address a common issue that many PS5 Slim users face: crashing and power issue. If you are experiencing this problem, we have got some solutions for you. So, have you ever been in the middle of a gaming session when your PS5 Slim suddenly crashed or shut off? Or maybe you have noticed that the console is having trouble stay in for extended period. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, we are here to help. So, firstly, we can discuss some causes. There are several reasons why your PS5 Slim might be crashing or experiencing power issue. This can include overheating, fault hardware, software bug, or even power supply problem. Now we move to our solutions. So, the first solution is ensure proper ventilation. Place your PS5 Slim in a well ventilated area to prevent overheating. Clean the PS5 Slim cooling fan to avoid overheating issue. Solution 2. Check power cord. Make sure the power cord is not damaged and securely plugged in. Try using a different power outlet to rule out power source issue. Solution 3. Restart PS5 Slim in safe mode. Press and hold the power button on the console until you hear 2 beep, and use a USB cable to connect the controller to the console. And then press the PS5 button on the controller to access the safe mode menu. From the safe mode menu, select restart PS5 and then confirm the action when prompted to restart your PS5 Slim. Solution 4. Clear the cache. Pressing and hold the power button on the console until you hear 2 beep, and use a USB cable to connect the controller to the console. And then press the PS5 button to access safe mode menu, and from the safe mode menu choose clear cache and rebuild database, and then choose clear cache and wait for the process to complete. This PS5 Slim will restart automatically, and check if the issue is resolved after the restart. Solution 5. Power cycle PS5 Slim. Press the power button on the PS5 Slim until it beep indicates that it has been turned off completely, and disconnect the power cord from PS5 Slim and the wall outlet, and allow it to sit unplugged for at least 10 minutes to ensure that all power has been drained. And reconnect the power cord to PS5 Slim and the wall outlet, and then press the power button to turn off PS5 Slim and check if the issue has been resolved. Solution 6. Contact PlayStation support. So if you tried all the above steps and still you are facing this issue, so it's time to contact with the customer support. It's possible that there are many be hardware issue. In the case, contact PlayStation support for further assistance. You can simply provide them the steps you have already taken to fast forward your query. After that, the customer's assistant will provide you some effective solutions that can help you to resolve the issue. So, by following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and fix the issue of your PS5 Slim crash or experiencing power issue. Remember, regular maintenance and care can prevent many common issues. So, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more gaming tips and tricks, stay tuned and happy gaming.